Every day is exciting because I'm back with some or the other unboxing. And today we have a special package to check out from Asus. My god, this is so heavy! Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with an exciting video and we have a mystery PC from Asus. Thing is, Asus did say me that they were sending me a PC, but I was not sure about the model or what actually they were sending me. And let me tell you, this is not your regular PC or gaming PC also. It's completely different. It's an AIO PC guys, which is basically like an all-in-one solution. See, it's like a complete all-in-one system. That means you don't have separate CPU or monitor. Everything is combined and it's like one piece. Thing is, a lot of people actually prefer buying these sort of systems for multiple reasons, because see, some of the people might not have enough space on their table or their workspace is not that large. They don't want to maintain separate CPU, separate monitor, separate speaker system, and that might be one of the reasons. Second is, people might not be familiar with how to build a PC and they don't want to go through all those complications and don't want to maintain these sort of high-tech stuff, and that is why people look for something like convenient, simple, compact, easy to use, and that is the reason people go for these sort of all-in-one Windows PCs. But is it really worth your money? That I'll tell you in this video. So let's get started. Alright guys, so here is our brand new all-in-one PC from Asus. Comes in this sort of box packaging. You've got the Asus branding everywhere. The tagline written says "In search of incredible." You've got the Intel Inside logo also, and the packaging is massive guys, and also is quite heavy. Now going to the side, you've got some details regarding the product. The model we'll be reviewing today is V241E, and it comes with a 23.8-inch 1080p LCD display. It's powered by Intel 11th gen CPU, has 8 gigs of RAM and 256 GB PCI Gen 3 SSD and 1 TB hard disk. So those were some of its main specs. Now without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. Over here you just have some info regarding the pricing, which I'll tell you at a later part. So as soon as you open it, you can see that the all-in-one PC is nicely packed inside. Keeping that aside, you also have an accessory box at the top. I wonder what's inside this thing. Let's just open it and see. Oh guys, look at this. Asus is actually bundling and giving you a free wireless mouse and keyboard in the packaging. Very beautiful looking color, complete silver accent mouse and keyboard guys, very sleek design also, and my god, look at this keyboard, it's so slim. You've got a complete silver aluminum top panel while the rest of the body is made of plastic, and as I mentioned before, both of them are wireless guys. Keeping that aside, in the package you also get some other accessories, like there's a mains card for the power adapter, a 90-watt power adapter for the PC, and lastly some paperwork. Just make sure to read them for all the info. That's it guys, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me just take this AIO out of this package and show you how it looks like. By the way, I have to tell you it's available in two different colors, silver and gold edition. We have the white and silver edition. Let me just take it out of the package and show you how it looks like. Damn boy, I have to tell, this is quite heavy, easily weighs around like 5 to 6 kgs. And my god, look at this! It looks like a simple monitor, right? But this thing packs the whole CPU inside this package. Pretty awesome, right? Damn, this thing definitely looks attractive, I can say that from my first look. What I'll do is I'll just give you all a closer look at the design and then we'll talk about the build quality, design and all that stuff. The Asus V241 AIO is an all-in-one PC that offers a complete PC solution in such a compact form factor, and my god, just look at that design. It's got a stunning design and looks very sleek and minimalistic. And if you can look at the display, you can observe that the bezels on it are very thin, which Asus is calling it as edge-to-edge bezel-less nano frame design, where the bezels are only 2 mm thick on all the three sides, but the bottom bezel is definitely a bit thicker. The V241 packs a 23.8-inch 1080p LED IPS level display on the front with very thin bezels. As mentioned just now, it's got edge-to-edge nano frame design with only the bottom bezel being a bit thicker. Now going to the center over here, you can see that below the Asus branding, there's also a built-in 720p HD webcam available on it, and also has built-in array microphone, that too facing towards you. So it's also good for your online meetings, conferences and online classes also. And coming to the adjustability, you can only adjust the tilt of this monitor just like this. You can't pivot or you can't rotate it into portrait mode. Keeping that aside, here's how the side profile of the AIO looks like. It's got a slim design as you can see and has a complete white and silver color combination. Coming to the stand also has a very elegant design. It's a single piece aluminum design, complete made of metal. And here's how the AIO PC looks from the backside. At the backside, you've got a complete white finish, guys, dotted textured matte finish, and looks pretty awesome. You got the Asus logo at the center, and on the bottom side, you can observe that we've got some connectivity ports. Let me just give you a closer look at it and show you all the available ports on it. There's a DC in port for the adapter, an Ethernet LAN port is there, HDMI port is also there, and you've got 4 USB 3.2 Gen 3 ports available and one more HDMI port as well. Now going to the left side beside that, you've got some stickers over here that says it's powered by Intel's 11th Gen CPU and a power button beside that. So that's it. That was our complete look at the design and the build quality. The build quality is top notch, guys. The body is completely made of high quality polycarbonate while the stand is made of metal. What I'll do is I'll just quickly set up this AIO PC and then I'll be back to continue the video. Alright guys, our all-in-one PC is all set up and good to go. So before I actually dive in and talk about the display quality, sound quality and all that stuff, let me quickly tell you about the specs of this product. As mentioned before, this is powered by Intel's 11th Gen i5 1135G7 CPU, has Iris Xe graphics on board, comes with 8 gigs of RAM and 256GB Gen 3 PCI SSD and 1TB 5400 RPM hard disk. So let me tell you about the display. As mentioned before, the Asus V241E all-in-one PC comes with a 23.8-inch 1080p IPS level display on it, and let me tell you, it's actually available in like multiple configurations, and some of the models also have touch displays available, so make sure to check that before buying. The one we have right now is the non-touch variant. It's actually a mid-range variant, guys, and if you talk about the display quality is very good considering the price. It's got 1080p resolution, right? So the text look crisp and sharp. Everything is like easily readable with great amount of detail. And coming to the colors, the color reproduction and color accuracy is also pretty good as it supports 100% sRGB color gamut. So that means you can use this display even for your professional and productive category works like, photo editing, video editing, color grading and these sort of stuff. And if you ask about the dynamic range is also pretty good. It's got excellent contrast levels, black levels are also decent, and brightness also fine. It's got a brightness of around 250 nits, and it's like great for home and office purpose. And not to forget, it also has anti-glare coating on it, so you won't even observe any reflections or glares on it. So that was about the display, guys. Now coming to the sound, well, the sound on it is also a bit special. It's got stereo down-firing speakers powered by DTS and was actually producing good audio clarity with minimum distortion. And since it features a bass reflex design in the body, the low frequency response is also pretty good. See, if you compare it to a laptop, the audio quality on this AIO PC is a lot better than what you would experience on any normal laptop, guys. So that I can definitely say. Just check out this clip and listen to this audio sample so you'll get an idea. Holy smokes, the PC actually looks good for the price. The ZEP Cronus case offers tempered glass panels on all the sides and comes with... Alright, now coming to the main part, I know you all have been waiting for this to know about the performance of this all-in-one PC. Is it actually good for the price? Well, let me tell you. See, this AIO PC was actually targeted and made for home purpose, and especially for people who are having like very minimum space on their table and they don't want to put a large PC or these sort of stuff. It's exactly made for that purpose. And if you talk about the specs, I've told you, right, this AIO is powered by Intel's 11th Gen i5. It's actually available in i3 and i7 variants also, guys. So depending on your budget, you can choose the model. The one we have is the mid-range one, which is powered by i5 1135G7 CPU. It's a 4-core 8-thread CPU and it's a good CPU, guys. It can get most of your day-to-day tasks done without any sweat. I was browsing Chrome with multiple tabs open and didn't face any sorts of lags. The opening and closing of applications was also pretty snappy, and I've been doing a bit of text editing and photo editing also and didn't face any sort of issues. So it's great for your day-to-day usage. And coming to gaming, See, this AIO is not actually made for gaming, but who's gonna stop me from playing games on it? Don't expect that it will be able to run AAA title 2021 games in 1080p resolution. That is very difficult, but you can definitely do a bit of basic and casual gaming. Like you can easily play GTA 5. I'm playing GTA 5 right now to show you how it performs. We're playing this game at 1080p resolution with all the graphics set to normal, and just check out this clip so you'll get an idea.
Come on, guys! Wrong profession! Fast forward! Get out of here!
Hey, not bad, right? As you can see on GTA 5 1080p resolution, normal graphics, we were getting an average of around 40 FPS, all thanks to Intel's Iris Xe graphics. Now, if you lower down the resolution to say maybe 720p, then you can increase the graphics and easily get a consistent 60 FPS gaming. Well guys, that's it for today. Time to wrap it up. That was our video on Asus's brand new V241 all-in-one PC solution. See, this product is mainly made for people who are looking for a compact, elegant and PC that doesn't take up much space, because a lot of people don't have a lot of space on their table or maybe in their room, and there they can easily fit this all-in-one solution and get their job done. Build quality is pretty good. It's very class and elegant looking. I love the display quality also. It's pretty great, and you can even use it for your productive and creative sort of applications. It also has a built-in HD webcam, so you're also good to go with your online classes or conferences, business meetings and these sort of stuff. The only thing with these all-in-one solutions is they're not upgradable. You can't replace the components on the inside as with the modular PCs that we usually build. And the other thing I'd like to mention is the sound quality was pretty good, but the output was not that great. See, if you want to enjoy movie or you want to do a lot of video editing and productivity sort of stuff, then I would definitely recommend you to get separate stereo speakers for that sort of purpose. And lastly, talking about the price, these AIOs start at the price of around 69,990 for the base variant and go up depending on the configuration. I'll leave links for these in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video and got to learn everything about this product. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.